Hi, welcome to my kitchen, and today let's make Omani chicken shua. No underground pit, no 40 years house wait. Air fry magic onto your plate. For the shua masala, in a pan add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 8 cardamoms, 3 red chilies. Stir all the whole spices till you get a nice aroma out of it. Let it cool, then grind it to a fine powder. To the grounded whole spices, add 8 cloves of garlic, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, garam masala, add 2 tablespoons of vinegar, tablespoon of tamarind soaked in little water, 1 teaspoon of salt. Grind this to a fine paste without adding any water. So this shua masala paste in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. Add around 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I have taken a large size chicken. Using a fork, poke the chicken. Add salt as per your taste. Let the chicken rest for 15 minutes. Apply the shua masala to the chicken. Keep the marinated chicken in the fridge for at least 6 to 8 hours or overnight for better results. Take a piece of aluminum foil and place a banana leaf if you have. If not, you can use a baking paper. Place the marinated chicken, which I have kept in the fridge overnight. Preheat the air fryer for 3 minutes and then place the chicken inside the tray. Place the air fryer tray inside. Set the temperature on 200°C and air fry the chicken to 50 to 60 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can see the chicken shua has turned out very juicy. Serve the Omani chicken shua with Kabuli rice and enjoy.